Here's a question that every inventor asks before filing an international patent. How much will my PCT patent actually cost? Let's break down the three hidden components that determine your total PCT patent filing fee. First is the transmittal fee. Think of it as your local travel agency's service fee to start your application. This is paid to your chosen receiving office, and the cost varies dramatically depending on where you file. For example, in the United States, the fee may range around $265. Some offices even offer reductions for online filing. The decision to select the appropriate patent office as the receiving office depends on the nationality of the patent applicant or the patent inventor. Next is the international filing fee. The base fee is around $1,500, but there exists an electronic filing fee reduction that ranges between $100 to $200. Herein, the applications longer than 30 pages trigger an additional fee per sheet. It makes financial sense to keep the number of pages to less than 30. But for strong patent drafting, it is advisable to ensure that the claims and description are drafted as per the requirements of major global patent offices like the USPTO, EPO, and JPO. Finally, the search fee, which is often your biggest variable cost. You have to choose an international searching authority from your receiving office's approved list, and fees differ dramatically based on their expertise and your entity status. The European Patent Office charges €1,845, while the United States ISA charges $2,400. But micro-entities can avail up to 80% discount in certain situations. Therefore, to determine your total filing cost estimates, add your transmittal fee, international filing fee, and search fee together. Here, it is important to note that the total fee will depend on the final contents of the patent application, including the number of pages, the filing entity status, which may be an individual inventor or a legal entity, the receiving office, the search authority, and the currency conversion rates on the date of filing of application. If you have any doubts regarding the PCT international patent filing process, feel free to drop in the comment section, and I'd be happy to answer your queries.